Through a microscope, I used to look into the dung of cows, horses, hens, and goats to search something like bacteria. In my early 20s, I always asked questions about nature. Why? Searching bacteria, reading books. I tried to find a better farming method. It is better? Is that better? Then one day I realized this. Wisdom of man is of no use. All we do with man's knowledge leads to the destruction of nature. Not doubting, believe in nature. If only revive nature, mankind can live. No thinking, doing nothing. That's the starting point.